Hello friends, today in this video we are going to learn the advantages of acupressure. As you know that in the modern day, lot of people are going for acupressure, are treating themselves or are getting treated by others for different ailments. But there are a lot of people also who are learning acupressure for self-treatment or for making it as a profession. But what are the advantages of acupressure as to why one should learn acupressure or should get treated by acupressure? So we will discuss one by one the advantages of acupressure. The first thing that why one should learn acupressure. First thing is easy to learn. That is, acupressure is very easy to learn. Suppose we are talking about acupressure reflexology. So in acupressure reflexology, there are only 39 number of points. And these 39 number of points are located in which part of the body? They are located on the surface of the palm and on the sole. So these 39 points are located on the surface of the palm, on both the palms and on the surface of the sole. That is the location of these 39 points. And only one has to learn these 39 number of points, and by learning it or by practicing those 39 number of points, one can treat great number of diseases or disorders. So it is easy to learn. Then second thing is anyone can learn. When I say anyone, no, you won't believe that when I say it's anyone, it means if one is literate or illiterate, that doesn't matter. If one is like say for 4 or 5 years kid or is a 90-year-old person, doesn't matter. Anyone can learn or anyone can treat. How? Suppose say one your education is not a limitation for learning acupressure. How? Let me tell you. Suppose this is point number 27 in acupressure reflexology and this is stomach point. So suppose you are having a gastric disorder or a stomach upset. What you need to do? You just need to put pressure over here, and within maybe depending on the intensity of the disorder, you will get the result. If it is acute and you are having maybe all of a sudden it has happened, maybe within a few minutes or within an hour or two, you will get the result. So if you are an illiterate person, you doesn't know, even to put on your signature, write your signature or recognize the letters, alphabets, doesn't matter. Only I have to tell you these are the points, you put pressure and you will get rid of back pain, neck pain and so on. You can learn it. Or if you are a kid and I will tell you, dear, put pressure over here. Okay, and that will enhance, that will improve your memory, that will improve your concentration. Okay, you can do that. So anyone can learn. So first is easy to learn, second one is anyone can learn, and third is easy to diagnose. Friends, I always tell that the most easiest thing in any therapy is treatment. The most easiest thing. Anybody can do the treatment. But the treatment depends on one thing, that is diagnosis. So diagnosis is difficult. Treatment is never difficult. If the diagnosis is right, then obviously the treatment will be right. Because treatment follows the diagnosis. If the diagnosis goes wrong, then obviously the treatment will go wrong. But in acupressure reflexology, diagnosis is very easy. How? There are 39 number of points. So if point number 27, which represents stomach, if it gets say tender, then what will happen? That means it indicates that stomach is having some disorder. So through this you can do the diagnosis. So diagnosis is very easy. Then the next thing is, the fourth one is, you can treat yourself and others. Suppose you are learning acupressure, you can self-treat. You can do your own treatment. As well as you can treat your family members like your parents or your children or your spouse, your brother, sister, or you can extend it and you can help in the society. You can do certain social work by opening a social center, treatment center. So this is the advantages that you can treat yourself and others. The next advantage is it doesn't have to use any medicine. No use of medicine. So how it helps you? By putting pressure. Just by putting pressure, you learn, that helps you, that removes your ailment, that helps in getting rid of your disorders. So no use of medicine. So that is the best advantage, is that is no use of medicine. And the second advantage is that, the next advantage is that when you don't use medicine, there is no side effects. So acupressure reflexology doesn't have any side effects. Nothing. Yes. If you are not putting it on the right location, maybe you will not get the right result. But no side effects. Thing is that, okay, maybe you will not get the right result, the expected result, but no side effects. So that is that's a great challenge, because so much of medicines we are using and so much of side effects are there, adverse things are there happening. But acupressure reflexology, see, no side effects, no use of medicines, easy to learn, you can treat yourself and others. So these are the advantages. And as you are not using any medicines, so see, zero cost treatment, nothing. You no need to spend any money. Just you need to spend some time on yourself. How? Just to treat yourself, you need hardly 10-15 minutes a day. That's all. So no cost. Only cost is time. So the whole thing, acupressure, this reflexology, acupressure reflexology is based on modern anatomy. Completely based on modern anatomy. So very scientific it is. Another advantage is, in certain disorders, acupressure gives instant result. I don't know if you can say it is the advantages or not, but sometimes that is also a disadvantage, because a lot of people have too much of expectation that why it is not giving immediate result now, because last time it gave instant result. So, but in certain case, acupressure reflexology gives instant result. For example, somebody gets unconscious. Okay, just put pressure here, or therapy pressure here, which gives you instant result. So that is the greatest advantage. Suppose somebody is having a very neck stiffness, all of a sudden there is a spasm over the neck, okay, and he is not able to move his neck, rotate his neck. What? Just put pressure over on the point number 7, that is your neck point. Gone, it's gone. So that's the result of that. So these are the basic advantages of acupressure, why one should learn acupressure or one should go for acupressure treatment. So these are the basic advantages. So in the next video, we will take another topic about acupressure. I will discuss. So for this much. Thank you.